What's the meaning of bon mot? Bon mot. Bon mot.
Bon mot. Bon mot. The term bon mot comes from the French language and it refers to a witty remark or clever saying. It is often used to describe a statement or phrase that is particularly clever or humorous, and it is often associated with people who are quick-witted and have a talent for making others laugh. A bon mot can be spoken or written and is typically used in social settings to break the ice or lighten the mood. Overall, a bon mot is a clever and charming turn of phrase that is designed to entertain and impress others with one's intelligence and wit.